What up, though? Welcome to Quarantine TV, baby, with your girl 313. That's me. I guess since we in this together, you know, I'll shoot some vids or whatever. So before I jump off into this review, let me tell y'all 3 things, okay? First thing, I need y'all to subscribe to the channel, share the video, like the video, and drop me a comment on the video, baby. We trying to get to 1K so your girl can do this collection video, okay? All right. 2, second thing, who has the heat? Right here on my channel, okay? You got me, you got my boy E Money Shoes, you got my boy PM Kicks, you got my boy McFly KOF on the panel, baby, and you got my girl Lick My Nikes. Go follow her on IG, very dope, battling it out against What the Sneakers. My boy, go check them out on IG. They coming to eliminate each other, okay? So you know they about to bring the heat. Tune in tomorrow, 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. So if you Central and you Pacific, you need to go figure out what 8:30 Eastern your time is, okay? Don't be late, okay? Because we got people in the chat taking attendance. And, you know, we just can't have you being here late. So the last thing, the third thing I'm trying to tell y'all, I got 9 boxes, okay? I know what I bought. I think, for the most part, I know what I bought, okay? But the thing is, I don't know what is in which box, so we just gonna find this out together, okay? All right. Here's my box. Got it. All right, so we're gonna open this up because, like I said, I don't know what's in this box, okay? So, y'all don't really need to see me to do the unboxing or whatever. It's just the fact that I haven't opened them and I haven't looked at them. I don't even know what it's from. Ooh, this is something I think I bought on StockX. Ooh, what could it be? I bought on StockX. I don't even remember. Something I ain't mean to buy on purpose. I probably had a bid in for and forgot about it. I gotta stop doing that. Any of y'all be doing that? Bidding on stuff and then be like, oh yeah, I forgot about that. But you know, you can leave me in longer now. I'm gonna throw that over there on the floor somewhere. What we got over here? Ooh, this is an Air Max 90, baby. Okay, this say Desert Sand, Black Desert Dust, size 6. Still don't know what this is. Okay. So y'all see, oh, I know what this is. This is the Camowabb, baby. Oh, okay. So y'all can see this is from StockX. I know a lot of y'all don't be rocking with StockX, but they ain't never did me wrong. So baby, guess what? I'm gonna roll with them. So we gonna pull these bad boys. Oh, look at these. They so pretty. My size 6. Look at these. Like, I saw these, man. I saw these on when they dropped, when they had them on what's that app? Sneakers app. They had them on Sneakers app. And man, yeah, these bad boys is dope. Like, I don't even like the pattern right here on the shoe. This sneaker is dope. Like, it's leather, it's suede, it's canvas, it's got all kind of it's got the nylon up here. All these textures is like, this make this shoe so dope, man. Like, and I don't even like, this is like a dark blue grayish color. Like, this shoe is dope. These earth tones on here, fire. I'm telling y'all, look at this. I love how they put the colors here with the 2 here with the lace holes here. You got the 2 blues here. You got this terracotta color here, like the flower pot. Yeah, that boy dope, man. These shoes are it. Like, look at this. It's even a pattern. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's even a pattern on the black swoosh, baby. They just fire. I mean, like, this is not a new release, so, you know, I ain't gonna spend a lot of time talking about it, but look at that. They even got the leather tongue tag on there, the Nike Air. Like, these earth tones is like fire. It's hitting it. Like, I don't really know what color this is on this shoe right here. Like, they got a blue on here, right here with where the Air Max is in there, but it's not the same color as this. It look like it's coming up like a greenish blue hue on there. But check out, look at that. You got that terracotta looking color right here on the soles. The laces, I love these laces. I love the Air Max laces when they do this and put the little be the solid color with the little speckles in it. Yeah, that shit dope. You got the Nike Air in there. You got the blue insole with that. That's my color. That's that terracotta. That's what I'm calling it. That's what it is. That do say size 6, but I just damn jammed it with my long fingernails, so my bad. Here y'all go. Here go the other one. Not that having a StockX tag being shit nowadays, but I got these on StockX. No reason in buying a fake 90. Just doesn't make sense, people. You know, a 90 is comfortable for me. I know a lot of people's feet are different, but I love a 90. It is just an all-around comfortable shoe, and it's stylish. So, like I said, let me know if you cop this shoe. If you didn't cop this shoe, let me know what you think of my shoe. All right.